breaking inputs on the same story. We are learning that Delhi's Water Minister Atishi and Aam Aadmi Party Minister Raghav Chadha have met Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal over the water crisis. In fact, CM Kejriwal and Atishi have also discussed the entire issue as far as the water crisis is concerned. And we are learning that Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal has said that there should be no shortage of water supply in Delhi at any cost. And all MLAs have in fact been asked to solve the water crisis for the people. Let's quickly go across to Rupashri Nanda, who will furnish us with all the details. Rupashri, what are you learning about this meeting, especially considering the BJP has constantly been alleging that too little, too late being done by the Aam Aadmi Party?
There is absolutely no denying that there is an acute shortage of water in Delhi, and Delhi is going through a severe water crisis, and many people are actually finding it very hard to collect water to meet their daily needs. And now remember, this is extremely important as far as the Aam Aadmi Party and its government is concerned, because free water has been one of the key poll planks of the Arvind Kejriwal government, and now it is on this very particular promise that it finds itself struggling to deliver. We learned that Aam Aadmi Party Minister Atishi, along with MP Raghav Chadha, met Arvind Kejriwal, the Delhi Chief Minister, who is right now in judicial custody in Tihar. And after the meeting, actually Atishi briefed reporters, and she said that the Chief Minister apparently has instructed the government to ensure that Delhi should not face any water crisis at any cost. And he has also given personal responsibility to all the MLAs to go into their respective areas and help people to meet their needs as far as water is concerned. It remains to be seen what exactly can the government do more, because remember, the case is already in the Supreme Court and we have two sides of the story. And I think ultimately it will be completely up to the Supreme Court to perhaps give its own a verdict on this, because the Aam Aadmi Party is saying one thing and the BJP is saying another. And we've been seeing for days now that there is no end to this misery that people of Delhi are going through.
Absolutely. In fact, the kind of action that's now being taken by the Delhi government should have happened long time ago, whether it is the forming of the SDM, the ADMs and that quick response team as well. Would be interesting to see the efforts that now the Aam Aadmi Party puts in. And with that, in fact, let's also bring you another ground report as the national capital battles this acute water shortage.
Another colony in the national capital, but the situation is same. These visuals have actually become a part of our daily routine now, because these people, what they are doing right now is they are actually trying to cater to their daily needs of water via this Delhi Jal Board's water tank. The problem is not dowsing down soon, it seems, because the continuous demand of water is rising, and on the other hand, the supply of the water is not increasing. This is the Rajasthan colony near Faridpur here in the national capital, and you can see this is a tanker which has come over here, and every day these people actually wait for these tankers to get their daily supply of fresh water. Fresh water, some say fresh water, and some say even this water is not perfect for drinking, or even not near for drinking. In fact, we'll try and get in a word from these people as well. अच्छा, आप एक बात बताइए कि पानी का कितना तकलीफ है अभी आपकी सोसाइटी में, आपकी कॉलोनी में?
बहुत तकलीफ है। छोटे बच्चा स्कूल भी जाते, स्कूल भी छोड़ के बच्चा छोड़ के हम लोग पानी उठाते हैं। हम लोग परसौती होते हैं ना, जब भी पानी उठाते हैं टंकर की। घर वाला कमाएगा नहीं तो खाएंगे कहाँ से भाई साहब?
अच्छा, आप बताइए ये कितने दिनों से चल रहा है अभी कि आपको रोज पानी की कमी झेलनी पड़ रही है?
बहुत दिन से चल रहा है भाई साहब पानी की कमी। आज करीब नहीं तो 10 साल हो गए।
अच्छा,
यही प्रॉब्लम चल रहा है, कभी आती है कभी आती भी नहीं टंकी।
अच्छा, ये गर्मियों में तकलीफ लेकिन अभी बढ़ जाती है?
गर्मियों में ज्यादा बढ़ जाते हैं।
All right, for how many days more will Delhi be battling that water shortage is the big question. We'll know in some days from now. Many thanks to you for watching this newscast. It's a quick wrap from my end. News and updates continue with Avantika Singh on the other side.